Hello, today we will talk about artificial neural networks. Our team is made of Juan Salas, Francisco Mata, and their server Pablo Reyes. What are neural networks? Artificial neural networks are models inspired by the function of human brain. It is formed by a set of nodes known as artificial neurons that are connecting and transmitting signal each other. These signals are transmitted from input to output. What is the purpose of neural networks? The main objective of this model is to learn by automatically modifying itself so that it can perform complex tasks that could not be done by classic rule-based programming. In this way, you can automate functions that at first could only be performed by people.
How do artificial neural networks work? One of the most interesting aspects of the study of artificial neural networks is the one of the reveals what their contribution to predictive analytics consists of along this line for uses stand out. 1. Approximation. Its function resembles an advanced form of multiple linear regression model. In a standard linear regression model, we seek to fit a straight line function through the values an independent variable. In an artificial neural network model, there are no restrictions, there are no such limits, the line does not have to be straight. This feature complicates its design but optimizes the result since, based on the adjustment of a function to correct weights or coefficients, can be found they will be related to standard statistical techniques. Forecasting. The artificial neural networks allow to carry out part of a target variable with a value comparable to the one that is independent to be measured and the point in the time in the future. The independent variables are considered historical values of a same measure. In this way, a prediction problem simply reduced to an approximation function. 3. Classification. Artificial neural networks can be used effectively to classify samples, that is, to assign the data that is collected to different classes or categories. Grouping. Grouping is another form of classification where the number of classes is previously unknown. Therefore, the work of artificial neural networks for clustering is similar to the classification of records.
Hello, I am Sara Samar. Where are neural networks used? Neural networks can be used for engineering to medicine to finance besides. In the market area, neural networks are providing great value. Science is a tool to allow you that following are 5 steps. Number 1 is make prediction about future buyer behavior. Number 2 is automate sample marketing activities. The number 3 is understand buyer segments. And number 4 is make sales recons. And number 5 is recon the content. Artificial networks are used to classify information, predict results, and gather data. For example, Google use layer network to promote Google Photos and its YouTube recommendation. Facebook use RNA for its face algorithm to recognize face with nearby face accuracy. And this is all.